Health champions, did you know that people that have a relationship with a primary care doctor actually reduces their cost, hospitalization, and enhances their overall health and well-being? Yes, it's a true factor. And this week, where we're celebrating National Primary Care Week, I want to emphasize why. So hang on. I'm Dr. Babs, family physician and owner of Living at Your Finest Wellness, which is a holistic and integrative direct primary care practice in Marietta, Georgia. So this week we are celebrating primary care, which unfortunately at this time, there's a shortage of primary care doctors to the extent that it's estimated we need about 13,000 more primary care doctors to be able to meet the coverage per one person. So definitely a lot of work that needs to be done. And it's so important. Primary care is important. If you're listening to me and you do not have that relationship with your primary care doctor, you definitely want to self-advocate and find someone, because primary care doctors are essential for the workforce. I went into primary care as a family physician because I wanted continuity of care. I wanted to be the first contact where my patients need continuity of care, whether it's acute, urgent, chronic, women's health, mental health. I am trained in that capacity. And when we talk about primary care, that also involves pediatricians, internists, psychiatrists. We're all primary care. We are your first contact where we build that relationship, continuity of care. I always wanted to know what was going on with my patients. So that's why I didn't do emergency room, and nothing against emergency room doctors because we need them. But I was always curious. I wanted to know what else happened. What we talked about, did it work? I wanted to be that bridge that will ensure continuity of care. So if you went to see a specialist, what was done? How can we enhance, your care after you've seen the specialist? So not only being that continuity of care, but care coordination, referrals. I also wanted to ensure health and prevention. And only your primary care doctor will do that, right? Ensure that you've met all your health maintenance, if you're getting vaccinated, if you've got whatever it is that you need, your primary care doctor helps with that. We ensure that you get access, all of the great things. And it's so important that you find a primary care doctor that will listen to you. Under my model called Direct Primary Care Model, we have enough time to provide patient-centered, personalized care